For pulmonary auscultation, you'll want to use your stethoscope and the diaphragm. This will be directly on skin, and you're going to listen to all areas of the lungs, so front and back. You'll want to trace where the lining of the lungs would be. You'll have them seated, and I'll start with the posterior side. So you'll have them seated with the stethoscope on their back, and you'll just have them take a deep breath, and you'll check for any just abnormal sounds. So deep breath, beautiful, deep breath, beautiful. And then you'll continue to do that down the posterior side and also the front side. So deep breath, deep breath, deep breath, and continue all the way down. Other tests that you could do is first checks for tactile firmness, or the vibrations of the chest wall. So you'll have them say 99, and you'll listen for any, you'll feel for the vibrations.
99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
For the bronchophony, they'll say 99, and you'll listen, and normal would be a muffled sound, and abnormal would be a louder, clearer sound.
99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
And I'll check that front and back. Next one is the whispered pectoralqui test, and it's they whisper 99 and you listen. A normal one would be faint sounds or nothing, and then abnormal would be you hear the sounds clearly. Now whisper 99. And you'll also do the same thing on the front after you go all the way down. Beautiful. The last test is the egophony test. They say ee and you listen. Normal would be like a muffled ee, and then an abnormal would you would hear an ah. So go.
E E E E E E E E E.
Okay, and then you'll do it on the front as well.
E E.
And all the way down. If you'll want to refer if you hear anything abnormal.